Hi everyone, this is Rashi from Shapurji Palanji. I would like to tell you there are homes and then there are addresses who quietly announces who you have become. Let's take a peek in. Presenting you Shapurji Palanji. तो कई कबार मुझसे लोग पूछते हैं कि शापुरजी पालनजी डुअलिस्ट जो सेक्टर 46 में अपना लग्जरी सेगमेंट लेके आए ये डिफरेंट कैसे हैं? I don't talk about brochures or numbers or promises. I talk about legacy. What I mean by legacy, you are stepping into a 160-year-old institution. That's Shapurji. Shapurji has shaped the India skyline with integrity and pride. Let me take you through what we have done. We have compiled few examples here, and this is our office, by the way. Starting from Mumbai Central Station to Reserve Bank of India, World Trade Center, Trident Hotel in Mumbai, SP Info City in Pune, and Bab Sindhu Mandir, Imperial Mumbai Towers, and they are the iconic towers, by the way, in South Mumbai. Then, not only in India, but in GCC countries as well. And this is Chenab Railway Bridge, India's tallest. That's from sea level. If I talk about, this is 359 meters, 35 meters above Eiffel Tower. This was all about the legacy. Also, let me tell you this thing that Shapurji, being a developer, didn't arrive yesterday. So we were talking about the legacy here. They have also given the iconic landmarks in India. So the projects demanded zero compromise, excellent engineering, and the global standards. Dualis in Sector 46 carries the same DNA. So when I say that same DNA, it's all about the contemporary designing, the soul designing for the discerning homeowners and the investors in the market. Let me take you through to the beautiful model we have at Sector 48 at Magnum Global Park. Come. Dualis is not about access. I will like to tell you it is all about effortless living and intentional luxury. For luxury, that respects your time, that respects your privacy, space, etc. So over here at Dualis, you're getting everything. It's intentional. So over here, we have curated the spaces just for you. My project is just 400 meters away from IKEA, and Asia's second largest IKEA is coming in Sector 47, Gurgaon. Also, we are just 2.2 kilometers away from Huda City Centre Metro Station or Millennium Metro Station. So we are centrally located in Sector 46. Now talking about Dualis, it's all about duality, the twin tower concept, wherein your first habitable or livable floor starts from 7th floor. What we are giving beneath? We are giving a beautiful clubhouse of 60,000 square feet just for you. Just imagine over here with the curated space living. We are giving the concierge services powered by Quintessentially. So from bespoke management to fine dine restaurant experience to anything you require at your doorstep, everything is available. And don't forget about your health care. So over here, healthcare will be taken care by Fortis. That's a renowned brand again. Whatever you require, as I mentioned, luxury is all about respecting your time. You're saving a lot of time. And don't forget about the Bosch car services. Just on a boring Sunday maybe, or maybe any other day, the vehicle needs attention. So Bosch car services will be there in the premises for you. Now let's talk about the towers concept. We have come up with two typologies, 3 BHK plus servant and 4 BHK plus servant. The sizes starts from 2852 square feet, goes up to 3605 square feet. Now, also, we have taken the inspiration from the history. I believe everybody has seen Fatehpur Sikri, wherein we have the floating effect. We have given the same effect in the lobby area just for you. Now, with the limited edition and limited time period, we as Shapurji brand have come up with the 2080 payment plan just for you. For more details, call us or DM us. Thank you.